Hey beauties, sorry for the shitty lighting. I'm not by my vanity at all, I'm just in the living room. But I wanted to try something new with this Halo glow stick from Medusas makeup. I don't think I've ever seen anyone use this. I've seen people use like something like this, but not this product. We're gonna try something. So essentially I'm just putting it all over my face. Like I've seen people use like liquid drops or even like lately glitter and stuff. We're gonna try this out because it's like cream-like and I think it's gonna blend very nice with the. And now I'm just blending it out a little bit. Okay, but why am I not mad about how it looks without foundation? And I don't know if I mentioned this, but this glow stick was from Medusas makeup in the shade Sepia. And I'm just using the Fit Me Dewy Plus Smooth foundation. I went ahead and contoured and used some concealer and I powdered, but I'm loving it. Yes, yes, yes!